The thing I think is most important about education is motivation. If students don't want to learn, then they won't learn anything. So what I try to do is give people interesting things to do. It really delights me if I have a student who has been struggling and then they achieve beyond what they were expecting.
His catchphrase for me is, "We can do this." He's so encouraging and he's just oozes the enthusiasm and it makes you feel like you can achieve all your goals.
Hebddo fo swn i ddim yn gallu gwneud brosiect yma o gwbl, achos swn i, sa dysgu'r iaith i ddechrau, achos mae o'n dysgu iaith newydd, really, yn amhosib heb cael help Graham, so swn i'n wedi gallu cael brosiect i wneud o gwbl, ac heb brosiect swn i'n gallu pasio'r cwrs.
Wi'n dysgu drwy'r cyfrwng y Cymraeg yn dwyieithog. Wi'n hapus iawn pan mae myfyrwyr yn gwneud gwaith yn Cymraeg yn ysgrifenedig. My main interests are computing on the one hand and earth science is my other main interest. My PhD research was in hydrology and meteorology. The other thing that I'm really interested in, and it's what I've been researching, is maths education, particularly for students who are not very good at maths.
Mae'n aelod gwerthfawr iawn o Coleg Meirion Dwyfor, mae'n person hoffus iawn, ond hefyd mae ganddo fe'r arbenigedd ar enw da sy'n nid mond yn mynd trwy'r coleg, ond sy'n genedlaethol ac yn ryngwladol. Mae'n darlithio mewn cynadleddau ryngwladol, mae'n gweithio ar prosiectau gyda prifysgolion, a deud y gwir, dyn ni'n ffodus iawn bod Graham efo ni yn Coleg Meirion Dwyfor, nid mewn un o prifysgolion mawr Lloegr.